Hi guys. Wix and Google Sites are two of the most popular website builders today. But which one should you be using? To help you make an informed decision, I'll explain the main differences between Wix and Google Sites, and we'll consider 5 criteria to see how these two tools stack up. We'll leave the link in the description and you can use it. You can start with the free version, and if you like it more, you can upgrade risk-free. And thank you for using the links in the description. So let's find out which is better for you. For the features, both website builders have a lot to offer, but let's break down what each one offers in terms of features. Starting with Wix. It's an all-in-one platform that offers 3 different methods to create websites: Wix Artificial Design Intelligence, Wix Editor, and Wix Velo. The Wix Artificial Design Intelligence is an impressive feature that creates a customized website for you in real time using AI. The Wix Editor is a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface with various possibilities for each element and hundreds of templates to choose from. Meanwhile, the Wix Velo is perfect for tech-savvy users who want to create more complex websites. All Wix sites come with full-packed features including security, backup, search engine optimization, domain names, and other features. You can also utilize apps from the App Store to further customize your website. On the other hand, Google Sites is a free site that's perfect for quickly creating small, nice-looking websites. It has a minimalist interface and limited themes, but it's easy to use and interacts seamlessly with other Google services. If you only need a simple way to share a few basic pages with people, Google Sites might be the perfect fit for you. Plus, it's a free site that includes unlimited storage, traffic, and websites, which is definitely a huge advantage. In terms of the winner, it's a close tie. It all depends on your preferences and needs. If you're looking for flexibility, go for Wix, but if you prefer simplicity and free options, Google Sites is the way to go. And for the design options, Wix is a great platform for unlocking your creative side. Currently, there are more than 800 templates available on Wix, grouped into 5 different categories: Store, Creative, Business and Services, Community, and Blog. Within each category, you'll find a range of subcategories to choose from. Uniqueness is essential when building a website, and Wix offers features that allow users to customize the color, font size, and style of their chosen template. This helps your website stand out in the vast digital world, making it more memorable and recognizable. On the other hand, Google Sites doesn't offer as many templates options as Wix does. Currently, there are only around 13 templates available on Google Sites. This limited selection means that Wix has the upper hand when it comes to creating a personalized website that truly represents your brand. And for the apps and add-ons, Wix takes the lead in this category. Their app market provides you with a plethora of in-house and third-party apps to choose from, helping you to increase the functionality of your site. From selling tickets, building communities, adding blogs, to accessing social media tools, you name it, Wix has got it. You can even integrate QuickBooks, accept online bookings, and so much more. It's amazing how Wix helps you take your website to the next level with their wide range of options. In comparison, Google Sites only offers in-house applications from Google. You can add Google Charts, Maps, Docs, Sheets, Calendar, Forms, and Slides, which is still a decent range of applications to work with, but not as extensive as Wix. And for the ease of use. When it comes to ease of use, both Wix and Google Sites have editors that are user-friendly and allow you to easily add various types of content to your pages using a drag-and-drop interface. Google Sites Editor is designed to be minimalist, showing only the necessary options to avoid cluttering the screen. However, this simplicity comes at a cost. There are limited features to choose from when editing, such as adding text, images, videos, and integrating content from other Google services. On the other hand, Wix offers a more comprehensive editor with a clean and organized interface. It's like having a personal web design assistant that guides you through the entire process of creating a website. Wix provides a wide range of options, making it easier to customize your site and achieve your desired look and feel. And for the pricing, Wix offers a variety of pricing plans that cater to different needs and budgets. The most basic plan is the Connect Domain plan, which starts at just $4.50 a month. However, it's important to note this plan is limited in features and does display Wix branding on your site. If you want to upgrade, the combo plan is ideal for personal use and costs $8.50 per month, while the unlimited plan is a good option for entrepreneurs and freelancers and costs $12.50 per month. For those looking for the most advanced regular website plan, Wix offers the VIP, which costs $24.50 per month. If you're interested in creating an online store, Wix has got you covered with their Business Basic, Business Unlimited, and Business VIP plans. These plans offer all the features of the regular website plans, along with additional e-commerce features such as online payment processing and inventory management. The Business Basic plan is a great option for those who are just starting with e-commerce and costs $17 per month. The Business Unlimited plan offers more storage and features, making it ideal for growing businesses, and costs $25 per month. Finally, the Business VIP plan is the most advanced e-commerce plan, costing $35 a month, and offers priority support and additional features such as automated sales tax calculation. Wix provides flexible and reasonably priced pricing plans that cater to various requirements and budgets. Selecting the plan that aligns with your goals and requirements is crucial to maximize the value of Wix's platform. Moving on to Google Sites, the great news is that it's free. All you need to do is create a personal or business Google account, Google Workspace, and you'll have access to Google Sites as part of the Google applications. However, you will still need to pay to register a Google domain if you want a personalized domain name. So there you have it. Wix offers a range of pricing plans that cater to different needs and budgets, while Google Sites is a great free option if you're looking for something simple and easy to use. So choosing between Wix and Google Sites depends on your business and your needs. Both website builders come with advantages and disadvantages, so there's no best solution. It will depend on your current needs. Whichever tool you choose, we'd recommend trying the free version first, risk-free, and if you like it more, you can upgrade. Other than that, it's up to you. So yeah, that's it for this video. You can check the links in the description, that helps a lot too, thank you. And hopefully this video will help you out. If it did, please leave a comment and click the like button, that helps too. And goodbye for now.